Hello my Xhale loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys a very short and quick video on how I did this DIY door decor from all Dollar Tree items, and really only 2 decor pieces and 2 materials of just tape and scissors, guys. So stay tuned for this quick video. My kids absolutely loved it, so I figured I'd just share it with you guys, a budget for a new way to decorate. So stay tuned, my loves. So I've taken the sheet and I've started taping down the left side. Now I want to show the blue part all the way around. So I'm going to tape it here and then in the middle of Thank you, my Xhale loves, and all my new people that have shown for this video for tuning in. I always appreciate the love and support. As always, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't hit that subscribe button. And remember that you can do all things that you put your mind to. So keep on pushing, guys, and conquering those goals. Love ya. Adios. See you next week.